In Harare, we closed the city down because there were the people of Zimbabwe singing in memory of a man who had changed their lives. It was deeply emotional for me. My first meeting with Tsvangirai was in a completely different context. I was the chairman of MCOS, which is the Employers Federation of Zimbabwe. And we employed about 300,000 people in industrial jobs. And I was the chairman, and I had 37 industry leaders with me, and we had a summit with the ZCTU. And I was sitting there as the chairman with these elderly white Barungus, all big chefs from industry, and into the room walked this young man. And I want to tell you this, he changed the atmosphere in the room. And I said to the man next to me, who is that? He said, that's Tsvangirai, the Secretary General of the ZCTU. And Morgan was like that. Morgan was like that. This was a man who changed Zimbabwe forever. That's 90 days. Now, let me give you a challenge. Let's complete the job that Tsvangirai started. This time, Zimbabwe is going to stand up. And Zimbabwe is going to tell ZANU to please go with Mugabe.
Ikhu yokuqala eZimbabwe kayisiyokhu esayibona ngoNovember nyakeni. Ikhu yokuqala esayibonayo yikhu ayenziwa ngo-2008 ngesilungu yayiyi-preemptive coup yona leya. Bathi sebebonile ukuthi uTsvangirai sewile, the same character. Bachaya ikhu yabo yokuqala. Sebethale ukukhupha uMgabe babevele sebele experience.